on the FN2. You guys know I originally fitted these alloys, which are rotors. I absolutely love the alloys. I love how they look. I'm really happy with them. However, the tyres that I chose, the Ecutek NS2Rs, they just cannot be used in the winter. They are rubbish in the wet. Genuinely, my land sales did a better job. Yeah, so I'm a bit disappointed with those. They're probably amazing in the dry, but what did I expect, really? They are not a winter tyre, so that is my honest opinion. If you're thinking of driving on the British roads in this sort of weather, in these sort of temperatures, wet roads, 15 mile an hour is about all you're doing. It's just, yeah, I don't know what I expected, but there you go. Yeah, it's wet, so I've got rubbish hair. The tyres, wrong choice. Is all I can say. And I did order. I'll be honest. I did order these alloys and tyres in July. Sorry. And I thought that was a good idea at the time. And in the summer, in the dry weather, they would have probably been absolutely epic. But I've put them on in December, and they're no good in the wet. Ecutek NS2Rs. Like I say, I completely love my alloys, my rotors. I think they're the best mod I've made. I love looking at them. And obviously you don't see them when you're driving, do you? So whilst you know they're on there and you're happy to take a photograph of the car and you love the way it looks, got to be more sensible in the future when it comes to picking tyres in this country. I think yeah, I think they're a summer tyre, and I'm definitely driving them in the winter, and they're no good. So I'm not prepared to change them now, so I'm just going to have to drive more sensibly. I've had some hairy moments trying to play in the car, and yeah, I've got to chill my bats now. I've got to calm it down, because the tyres are not going to do what I want them to do. You know, I've tried driving the car, trying to get I don't know whether I can even get some heat in them in this weather or what, but I've tried to make them perform, so like have a nice drive and then go and play, and it's just not happening. So I've got to be really careful. I cannot recommend Ecutek NS2Rs in these temperatures, in this weather. So they are definitely a summer tyre and not a winter tyre. So yeah, so I think the point there is that hopefully you guys don't make the same mistake I did. But that is my honest review, and that's what it's all about, isn't it? I've made modifications to this car in the past and been completely honest with them. Like, I fitted an exhaust system to it, made 0 power, proved it on the dyno. I don't like the thought of making videos that don't give accurate information. There's people out there that will fit, and you know it, you've been on the forums, you know it, people will fit something to their car and say how amazing it is because they've just spent all that money on it. I won't do that. I spent that money on them tyres, and that was a mistake. So there you go, that's a little update. Love the alloys, love them, think they look sick, but tyres, no way. So don't do it. Right, I need a cup of coffee. Speak soon, everyone.
say it again. Life moves pretty fast.